How to set the robot the 0 point? 0 point. We do set 0 point first. We need to change the limit because our robot have set the robot set the limit 0 point. We must change the limit. Change the limit here. You can set the robot to the middle. If you to the middle, the limit this direction must save the more, right? We now change it to 9999. Okay. And y is here, right? You can see the direction. Moving here is this direction. Moving front is this direction. Now must change it to 999. Okay. Z. We only do XY the set the limit. We now do it. Here is the limit, also change it, right? We now do set the 0 point in the calculate. Reversed. Moving in the teach model. Here we move the, let us go this one. You can see it moving, and the Y is good. We go here. You can see the position. I will change it just 0 0, right? If you want to set the here, hit here. We must you can see the two calibrate the position. Choose one and set it. Sure? Yes. The next J2. Set. Yes. After you do it, you can see the after step 3. After you do it, must press 1 times the stop, and open it, and clear the alarm. After do it, the 0 is already set finished. After you do finished, we also do the limit again. Moving the robot, go here. How to set the limit?